Dear students, today we are going to see about the computer networks. First, we have to know about what is computer network. A collection of computing devices connected in order to communicate and share resources is called as computer network. Connections between computing devices can be physical using wires or cables or wireless using waves. In the computer networks, these are the concepts we are going to learn first. Network topology, addressing, message delivery, routing, and security. In network topology, we are going to know about the structure of the network, that is, how the computing devices are connected and in which structure they are being connected. That is, how is hardware physically connected. In addressing, how a message destination is identified. Then, in message delivery, the data to be sent in the same fashion, having the same structure, or say having the same format. Then, routing. In routing, the packets from one source to destination are going from one source to destination and in which path they are going. So this is decided by the routing. Then the security, the messages, the security of the messages we have to see. The key terms in networking are node, that is host, any device on a network. Data transfer rate, that is the bandwidth, the speed with which data is moved from one place to another on a network. In computer networks, the machines sending are designated as so many models. The first model is the client-server model. In the client-server model, the client requests the document from the server and the server responds to the client. This is called as client-server interaction. In the client-server model, the source is considered as client or server and the destination is which sends and receives the documents. The protocol. Here, we have to know about the protocol. A protocol is a set of rules that defines how data is formatted and processed on a network. That is, the rules that allow client-server interaction. The file server. A computer that stores and manages files for multiple users on a network. The web server. A computer dedicated to responding to requesting and the browser client for requesting the pages from the server. Then the topology. If every pair of computers on a network had a dedicated communication link, passing messages would be direct and straightforward. Millions of computers on a network, they cannot all have direct links to each other. There are so many topologies are existing. In a local area network, that is in LAN, a network that connects a relatively small number of machines in a relatively close geographical area are said to be in the local area network. Here in LAN, we can follow the ring topology, which connects all nodes in a closed loop on which messages travel in one direction. In star topology, the systems, the hosts are connected according to the centers around one node to which all others are connected and through which all messages are sent. In bus topology, nodes are connected to a single communication line that carries messages in both directions. So here in the figure you can see the various types of topologies explained. First one is the ring topology, second one is the star topology, and third one is the bus topology. See, what are the pros and cons of computer networks? Number of links. See, so if there are so many number of links, then they cost so much of money. Then how the network performance is decided? How efficient is communication? Then in network reliability, we have to know how does network respond to overload and how susceptible is network to collapse. Best choice depends upon the size of the network. There are three types of networks. First one, LAN, we have seen. Then wide area network. A network that connects local area network over a potentially large geographic distance is called as a WAN, that is wide area network. In metropolitan area network, the communication infrastructures that have been developed in and around large cities. Next, we have to know the term gateway. One particular setup to handle all communication going between the LAN and other networks. Today we are using the internet very much. So, this is coming under the type of WAN network, that is wide area network. Internet backbone, a set of high-speed networks that carry internet traffic provided by companies such as AT&T, Verizon, ZTE, British Telecom, and IBM. Internet service provider, a company that provides other companies or individuals with access to the internet. Internet connections, various technologies available to connect a home computer to the internet. Phone modem converts computer data into an analog audio signal for transfer over a telephone line, and then modem at the destination converts it back again into data. Digital subscriber line and the cable modem. These are landline services used for internet. And the broadband, a connection in which transfer speeds are faster than 768 kilobits per second. DSL connections and modems are used here, and the speed for downloads may not be the same as uploads. Addressing. Which address is used as source or destination in a computer network? To what address? So, these are all decided using these terms. The host name, a name made up of words separated by dots that uniquely identifies a computer on the network. Example, www.mathcs.slu.edu. IP address, it is an address made up of 4 1-byte numeric values separated by dots that uniquely identifies a computer on the internet. Here we, as example, we can see 192.0.0